Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Friday, January 28th. Let's find out what's on our calendar for the day. Make it a little bigger for you to see. Wow, story problem. It says the pet store has 30 fish. They sold some. Now they have 28 fish. How many fish did they sell? How many fish did they sell? So if we go through our information, we know that the pet store had 30 fish. They sold some. We don't know how many, so they don't have those fish anymore. That's our missing number. Now we know they have 28 fish. So we'll plug these numbers in. We have the number 30. We have a missing number. And then we have our final number, which is 28. So 30 minus something equals 28. All stars. Let me change that. All stars. I know you can do this. If we're trying to figure out how many jumps we move to go from 28 to 30 or from 30 to 28, think about it. You have 28. You're going to count and hold up a finger for every number you say. You have 28. What's the number that comes after 28? Hold a finger up for that. 29. And then what's the number that comes after 29? 30. How many fingers do you have up? 2. Very good. So we've just learned that 30 minus 2 equals 28. What I'd like you to do is actually pause the video and write a story problem to explain this math equation. We just heard one, but I'd like you to create one. It's important that you know how to do this as well. Please unpause the video once you finish running that story problem. All right, now that we're back, what we're going to do is go to our days in school. We'll add another day. Oh my goodness, look at this. We have another group of 5 because we now have 90 days in school together. 90 days in school together. So we'll change our information here and make it 90. We'll change our number word. We have 9 groups of 10 and 0. Just 9 groups of 10. And then it could become 70 plus 10 plus 10. Or we could even put, you ready for this? 9 dimes. D for dimes. 9 dimes. And all of those are different ways to make the number 90. What we're going to do now is spin our spinner and find out what coins we're adding to our collection. Remember, we've said dimes are 10 and pennies are worth 1 cent. So let's see what we'll spin and we'll add all of our coins for the week. 2 more dimes, yes! Okay, 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Now we get to count all of our money for the week and we'll add it to our collection up here. We have all of our dimes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimes. So we'll count by tens to figure out how much we have in dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then pennies are worth 1 cent. 71, 72, 73, 74 cents we've collected this week. That is amazing. So we're going to put week 4. We've collected 74 cents. Great job, All Stars. Learning more and more about these coins. And of course, please always, if you can, with your parents' permission, ask for more opportunities to practice counting the coins. That really, really is important and will help you grow as a math expert. Last thing I want to do with you All-Stars today is this. If we have an equation that says something plus 20 equals 80, I'm going to write it out, but I'm going to do it a little bit different. That's an addition fact. But I'm going to write it out as a subtraction fact, because if we write it out as a subtraction fact, it will help us get to our answer. And remember what I did before where I drew the line down the middle? I'm going to do that again. Separate our 1s from our 10s. So right now we're saying 0 minus 0 is 0. Good job. What is 8 minus 2? If we have 8 and we take 2 away, 8 minus 2 is 6. Wow. So our answer is 60, which goes back to something we've talked about. Is 6 plus 2 equal to what number? 8. Very good. And all we've done is just add a 0 to it. So here is our math number tree for this equation. Have an amazing day, All Stars.